What's up, everybody? God bless you. I'm gonna do a quick trading breakdown of my phone. Man, GBPJPY finally did a move, man. Yeah, we had some areas of buying and selling, but I don't like when it's consolidating, I like it when it breaks out, but just to go really quick on what I needed to see. I wanted to see a buy number one because that's an uptrend. I am a person that believes, your trend is your friend. There's more confirmations to go into the direction that where the trend is. If the trend is in the uptrend, you can most definitely feel more better, going for buys and sells. So I just changed up the way I was trading because I had to adapt and fit in forex, on how my life, it's currently changing. I wanted to give up on this thing, but God kept pressing it into my heart to keep going. So if you're out there struggling, doubting, just know that God will always be there with you. And if this is a video of confirmation, go back and do it again. So like I said, I had to change up the way I was trading. So I have like a week trading like this. I need to back test this week. But what I was looking for, number one, where's the uptrend? I mean, what trend is the market on GBPJPY? Because that's the only pair I trade. It's in the uptrend. So I'm looking for buys. Obviously, if it was for sales, it had to break the higher lows. But that's another video. But like I was saying, so I was looking for buys. So I was looking for a imbalanced candle to pop out. Number one, that's the second confirmation. I want to see that. I want to see an imbalanced candle pop out, and break the 30-minute support, and then take it on the next candle where it opens. Because what I seen and I'm learning, wherever the candle closes is where the next candle will break. I mean, what will open. So people that don't know what's a imbalanced candle, a candle that's bigger than the previous candle. As you can tell, we see a small candle, and then we see this long candle come out. That's what I want to see right here, And when I was going to take the trade, I wanted to take it up to 40 pips. But you can't just come in the market and say, you know what, I'm going to go for 50 pips. No, you got to go and kind of match up. Well, I don't want to say kind of match up, but kind of go what the market is giving you. Because the market, all it does is give you information. You're never going to move the market, but you can take an educational guess. Obviously, this is when your strategy to come in to take the trade. As you saw, I was only going to take it to 20 pips right here. And the black line is another area of support and resistance. The reason why I was a little bit iffy not taking it right here is because, as you can tell, GBPJPY has been consolidating, and you have not seen a candle break out of here in a while, weeks, man. As you can tell, it tried doing it. Let me extend this right here. It tried doing it right here. But look what happened. It broke. This is a candle. This is an imbalanced candle. You see, as you can tell right here, small candle, previous candle. As you can tell, it didn't break out. It literally hit the 30. It hit the resistance, came all the way back down. So I'm like, obviously, in the way that I'm seeing, I'm like, it could break, it could not break, but whatever. So I only put 20 pips just to make sure, to be disciplined. Sometimes you got to understand, whatever the market gives you and you feel better and you feel like, what connects with all my strategy, just take it. Be grateful. Don't try to go for, man, you got to stay disciplined. And if you want your account to grow, practice your risk and reward. Obviously I had 20 pips and 10 pip stop loss. Anything could have happened. I'm learning. So like I was saying, I was waiting for that imbalanced candle. So as we wait, as you can tell, watch this next candle come out. Boom. That's an imbalanced candle. So I would have been ready. I would have taken the trade on the next candle. Because like I said, wherever it closes, it opens it. But I missed out on this trade. Like this. Boom. 20 pips right there. So I was like, man. But as you can tell, there is a small support right here. And not always the market is going to shoot up always straight. That's why market structure comes in. Because it has to create a higher low. So it may come back to this this support right here. Let's see what it does. Because, and as you can tell on the previous one, it came back down. So let's see what happens. Boom. Came back right there. So I took my trade exactly right there. So I was like, let's see. We're in. Right there. It was doing this thing, consolidating a bit. And once it hits 12:30 Central Time, boom. take TP smacked. And I could have gotten again, but I only take one trade a day. Because this was a 30-minute resistance. As you can tell, imbalanced candle, bigger than other previous candle. I could have taken the trade right here next to it, and I could have hit, boom, 40 pips. Another 20 pips. But like I said, I only take one trade a day. So that was it. That was the trading break.